What's up, ladies and gentlemen? You know what? I'm having trouble. Before I say anything, check this out, y'all. Y'all know what that is, right? Well, you know what? Check this out, y'all. Check this out, a big screen TV. Look at the sofa. Eric, oh man, who's watching? Well, never mind who watching. All right. Huh. All right, so this is going on YouTube. Before I say anything, I've been having trouble on my YouTube, you know. All right. I've been having trouble on my YouTubes and stuff like that, you know. Okay. Check this out, okay. New sofa. Yeah. Oh yeah, this. Well, I'm not gonna mention this person, you know. So anyway, I'm gonna let y'all know what's happening, you know. I'm having a party. Oh, this ain't gonna hold. It is. Well, let me fail. Having a lot of fun over here. Wash the windows like doing it the alleyway. Who's watching? All right, that's enough of your boy Dominoes 7 dancing like a silly maniac. Okay. You know what? I'm excited cause it's a blessing and God bless me. You know. I'm not supposed to be showing off on my show. You know, but I don't know when it's gonna be uploaded to YouTube because I've been having trouble with my computer. You know, couldn't do diddly squat. Need a laptop too. Well, what the hell? I got it big in here in the Dominoes 7 studios. Oh, all right. See y'all later. Alligator, after a while, crocodile. Well, let me start that all over. See you later, alligator. After a while, crocodile. Okay? Too much Three Stooges like alligator. Well, whatever the hell I mean. All right, bye.